then we're out there in Bombay, like some Chala Murari hero banne kind of thing. And I think we slept one night on that footpath, like you said. And what you've never told people is that we also spent one night in that railway station, in Bombay Central.
सीधा luxury flat से जो है.
We went straight to the floor of Bombay Station with a lot of other people there. So it was a nice, warm family feeling. बहुत सारे लोग थे.
मुंबई में ऐसी रोज होती है.
That's right. मजा भी हुआ. And that's when I remember that Shahrukh said one of those foolish things which in retrospect sound very significant. He was standing on Marine Drive and he said, you know, he had that, I was setting sun and good lighting and all that. So it was like a really well-framed shot. You know, one day I'm going to rule this city. And we said, yeah.
जब तक ये कर ले मैं जरा फॉरेन के किसी शहर में जाता हूँ और क्या कहा था इन्होंने?
I'm going to rule the city.
आते हम लौट के जब तक मैं बोल के आता हूँ.
बादशाह शाहरुख खान और यहाँ मेरे साथ है कर्नल कपूर जिन्होंने आप सबको शाहरुख के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. कर्नल, हमने सुना आपने एक सरप्राइज प्लान किया है.
नमस्कार, वेलकम बैक. जीना इसी का नाम है. शाहरुख साहब, ये आवाज किसकी है?
बटालियन सावधान, सलामत.
मेरी तो नहीं है. छिब्बा साहब भी यहीं बैठे हुए हैं.
कर्नल कपूर.
मेरी नहीं है.
कर्नल कपूर साहब.
ओहो, आइए सर. कर्नल कपूर साहब को इंट्रोड्यूस करने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हमने ढेरों फिल्मों में कर्नल कपूर साहब को लुकिंग एज डेबोनायर एंड डैशिंग एज एवर देखा हुआ है. ये बात एक बहुत लोग जानते भी होंगे, फिर भी कह दूं कि फौजी सीरियल के प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर और करता धरता और रूए रवा वगैरह वगैरह सब कपूर साहब ही थे. और फौजी में इन्होंने बहुत झंडे गाड़े थे ना कपूर साहब?
I'm not very sure of that, but I was looking for commandos, and he turned up there at my office. So then I took a look at him, and I said, "You want to be a commando?" He said, "Yes, sir. I'll do the role very well." So I looked at his face, and the first thing that hit me was, you know, this thing that he done with the nails in his cheeks. You know, he created some dents. I thought he had created them just for this role. And you know, he gave me a smile. That was okay. I said, I don't know whether you can do this. So I took these guys, there were about 8 or 9 of them, I took them out for a run. I must say, I was very pleasantly surprised that he hung on, but half the people left. They didn't come back from the walk. They went home from there. They said, "Yahan pe hum TV banane hain, aisa nahi, yahan pe physical exercise karne aa rahe." He would innovate. He would do a lot of homework, come and discuss with me. Say, I will do this way, sir. Even suggest to me. There was a scene I was taking, if you remember, where the enemy jeep suddenly comes in the front, and he is crossing the road, and he is supposed to dive behind the hedge. So we had somebody to do it for him. You know, he said, "No, sir, I'd like to do it myself." And you know, he did such a beautiful dive. I mean, the jeep comes around the corner, he comes, and he does one somersault and goes over the hedge. And I said, "Mar gaya." You know, because when I said cut, I said he must have broken his neck. And there he is grinning with those dents.
Retake हुआ था या नहीं?
No retake. You think I would dare?
Actually, it is by accident that I went to see him.
The accident is on mine.
Yeah, the accident was we were looking for a house, and his son-in-law, Kamal, was showing us a house, and he used to deal in property and stuff, and my mother told him that मेरा लड़का नहीं है, वो बैरी जॉन के साथ थिएटर करने गया है. You know, माँ कैसी होती है, मैं कुछ नहीं करता था, मैं झाड़ू पोछा ही मारता था बैरी के. तो उन्होंने कहा वो थिएटर करता है वहाँ पे, तो वो जब आएगा तो ही इज एन एक्टर, एंड वो आएगा तो फिर उसको घर दिखा के हम डिसाइड करेंगे ना. And so Kamal said, my father-in-law is making a serial. So you go there and talk. And हम गौतम नगर में रहते थे, घर के करीब ही इनका ऑफिस था. So I just walked in there, and really nice. He lets you be. And he was young people, all of us. His son was shooting at Bobby, and we had a great time doing it. Just 5-6 of us really had a great time. And उन्होंने हमको बोला था, जब तुम आर्मी वाले लोगों के पास जाओ तो